Hi kids! Today we are going to do 3-letter sight words. So let's start. R A-R-E-R All A-double-L All R O-U-R-R She S-H-E She Get G-E-T Get Out O-U-T Out New N-E-W New But B-U-T But Saw S-A-W Saw Say S-A-Y Say Did D-I-D Did New N-E-W New Was W-A-S Was Who W-H-O Who How H-O-W How Now N-O-W Now The T-H-E The See S-double-E See And A-N-D And Not N-O-T Not For F-O-R For You Y-O-U You Two T-double-O Two Yes Y-E-S Yes Put P-U-T Put Use U-S-E Use Why W-H-Y Why Ask A-S-K Ask Him H-I-M Him Her H-E-R Her His H-I-S His Buy B-U-Y Buy Off O-double-F Off Let L-E-T Let Eight A-T-E Eight